Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Capcut to create a video easily for selling or just for fun. Anyway, I think Capcut is one of the best apps because we can do everything while editing videos in one app. So after we downloaded the Capcut app, just open and click import for editing your videos, audios, photos that you want to edit. For example, and then drag to the clip. So here we can check out the preview panel, timeline, and toolbar here. So we can doing how to split clips with this icon, and how to mirror videos, how to rotate, how to resize your videos or your picture, and we can add an audio, text, sticker effect, transition, and many more we can get in from Capcut. So after finish editing the video, we can click the export button in the top right corner. And then I think this video is especially for those who are using Capcut for video editing for the first time. So if you find it useful, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.